Today is Saturday, August 5th, 2023. Today I have another Dyson vacuum cleaner that I'm trying to sell. This one is a Dyson DC40 multi-floor ball vacuum cleaner. I will be listing this on various online websites, mostly eBay. I usually list them as is for parts of repair because I'm not in the vacuum cleaner business, and I only do the basic test on the item. They usually are a little soiled. I'll do a basic wipe down, but don't try to get into any intricate cleaning of the item. Excuse the background noise. I'm in a public place and I can't control the background noise. I'm taking the canister off. You can see there's a model number in here. Okay, just going over some of the cosmetics that I see on it. You got a little, this is loose here, but I don't know if that makes any difference or not. A little loose there. Okay, so if you just happen to stumble across this item months from now, from August 5th, 2023, the item may have already been sold. But if you came across the item on an active listing or auction, then it probably is still available. I'm going to power it on. It's the power button. And this is the brush button. Okay, I believe the vacuum cleaner, and this has to be extended for the brushes to work. I'm going to power it on again. Power it on. Press the brush button. No change. Okay, and I now have it in a position where the brush should turn when I press the power button. Brushes are turning. I'm going to stop the brushes. Start the brush. Power off. Okay, I have the wand out. I want to do a little test for suction on the wand. I have checked it and it has suction, but it might not be as much suction as it should be, but we'll see. Okay, I actually don't know what happened there, except it stopped working when I had the vacuum cleaner in the upright position like this. But it would work when I had it tilted back. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to power it on, see if we can suction up these pieces of paper. Okay, so now I have some stuff on the ground. I want to test the brushes and see if there's suction from the brushes. Okay, I'm just trying to demonstrate that it does have suction. It does pick up dirt, and anyone that's interested in this item for parts or repair, they have a basic idea of how it works. Thank you.